control room.
Mike live on the track, boy.
Welcome back to my channel. It's your fave dream coming to you with another wig review, and that's right, I'm going to be reviewing this wig that I have on now. If you're interested on how I achieved this look or interested on just the deets of this wig, go ahead and stay tuned. But before we get into the wig, make sure that you guys go ahead and click on that subscribe button and the notification bell. Okay babes, so this wig was made by the Stylist. I got their Nisha Wig. Basically, the Nisha Wig comes with 13 by 6 inch frontal, and it comes with a pre-plucked hairline so that it has a more realistic, natural look. I got their wig in a OET 1B forest green, so basically the same color that's on the stock card. I did wear this wig already. I wore it once to work, and this is the second time that I'm wearing the wig. So this is it with just some foundation in the cap. I don't think I've ever had this much shed from a synthetic hair, y'all. Because I only wore this wig one time, and I wore it to work, and I didn't do anything that day. It was a slow day. So I don't understand why it's shedding like this. And when I got it, when I first put it on, it was shedding the same. Look how much it, I don't know, I think I paid like $40 for this wig, and this is one of the reasons why I stopped spending so much money on synthetic wigs, because I get really frustrated with this whole shedding situation. Like, if I spend my coin on some hair, I don't want this. And I understand like synthetic hair is gonna shed, like I get it, but this is too much, y'all. Way too much. Plus the back is thin. I mean, it's still gonna like shed and stuff, but I think this is definitely a little bit more manageable. Okay, so let's get into the wig. Here are my thoughts. Would I buy this wig again? No. It sheds too much. I can't put my fingers in the hair without getting a piece of hair on my hands. Like, it's crazy. And that's one of the main reasons why I cut the hair. Look how much hair I combed out just from today. Look at that. And nonetheless, I don't care if I bought this wig on sale, all right? Like, there is no way this is acceptable. So I don't know what I'm gonna do with this wig, the same wig in a different color. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, if I'm gonna give it away, if I'm gonna sell it. I don't know what I'm gonna do, but I'm not wearing it. It looks cute though, don't get me wrong. Like, it looks really, really natural. It's a very pretty wig. I just, like, it's something about the shed. Like, it's the shed that gets me, for real. Like, I can't. So, this is for me. Long story short, don't spend no $40 for this wig, because it's not worth it. Like, it's not worth it. Okay, babes, so that is it for this video. Let me know what you guys think about this hairstyle or this wig in my comment box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And if you've done that already, go ahead and click on that notification bell, babes. Thank you, and until next time, bye!